why I was just discussing with the concerned department on the tunnel and the metro. All will come together there because it is a very important junction. So we have made it clear we are taking over the private property. We have conveyed to them that we will give them compensation in any way, either in the form of TDR or in the form of this FIR or the compensation, whatever the government has, the norms are there. But we have said that we can't take away the project. The project has to be implemented in the entry point of Bangalore. So we want to keep the uplift the entire area, keep a good
इसका बाल आ रहा
Where to where, sir, if you could just define that?
I can't disclose all those things now. We have asked them to make a detailed plan combining metro and the tunnel and the transportation. Even there is a transportation hub also. All has to be mixed together. Some people may come in a bus, then they may take a metro, then they go, some may go to a flight. All these things are there. So that is an important junction. I am trying to sort out.